And welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing the Jura Impreza S9 espresso machine. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. So as you can see, there's no leaks. And then I'm just going to do a rinse. Guess I can't do a rinse right now. I'll make a latte here. There's just a pause before it makes espresso. And that's working well. And let's test the hot water too. See, that's also working well, not leaking. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.